Okay, guys, so as I told you yesterday, this is a video with instructions for your task. So as I told you in class, you have to do a toondoo. So in groups of 4, you have to create a collaborative story using this resource we mentioned, okay? Using toondoo, okay? So what you have to do is to draw 6 panels creating a tune book as we said in class and as I showed you. There you can use all the different resources you can find at the page. And then in the next slide, I will give you more detail regarding how to build your comic strips. So, first of all, you have to create an account, okay? Just one of you. You don't have to create 4 different accounts. One with username, a password, and please write this information down. Then you need to think about a simple story. Remember, it's a story you are gonna tell in 6 panels. Remember, panel, viñeta in Spanish. Then you have to draw these panels, customizing your characters, customizing the backgrounds, all the resources you have there. And then, essential, please, you need to write speech bubbles, okay? Characters have to speak. We should use the language. Then finally, essential as well, check your story. And remember, first time you do something, it's very, seldom the right version. So you should probably have to change the panels, have to, correct linguistic mistakes, etc., to get finally the best possible version at the end of the day. And then finally, you will have to send it to me by email, the email you already have. Okay, so this is a good example of what I'm telling you. I'll leave you with a tutorial video. It's just 4 minutes long about how to use toondoo. We've already gone through that in class, but I think it can be useful for you to have this tutorial to get familiar with the resource. So, okay, finally, guys, so thanks for listening and see you in class tomorrow. And if you have any questions, please do that tomorrow in class. Okay, thank you. See you.
Welcome to toondoo. Here's how you sign up for free. Click on the sign up button and then you get this page. Sign up for toondoo. Click on this. Enter your username, password, something that you'll remember, and your email address. That way toondoo can email you with anything they have to. Then once you have that filled out, hit register. Now you're got an account. So you put your username in again and your password in again and sign in and you're ready to go. This will be the first screen you come to. You have several different places you can go to, but the first thing you need to do is make a Trader R. And here's how you do it. Click on Trader R and the screen pops up and you'll get a plain person that you can make into anything. At the bottom it has random females that you can choose. If you keep clicking the button, more females will show up. It also works with males. So I chose this one. And you can change her eyes or her facial expressions, but I'm going to save her name. So I click on save. I'm typing Susie because I think she looks like a Susie. Hit save. And you can create another one if you'd like, but you have to hit that create another and then just close that page. And then if you want to start creating your own cartoons, go to Create. It'll load for a couple seconds, and then you'll have this. The first page that pops up is all seasonal items. Then you must pick out your layout. You can choose 2 or 3. I chose 2. Now you have characters, scenery or backgrounds, props, text boxes to write in, Bushmen, which have all sorts of different things behind them, and then special, which is seasons or whatever, and then clip art. So each of them have several different pages. I chose a set of lockers to start my comic strip with. Then I'm going to choose a character. I chose the one that looks like she's holding the locker. You can move them up and down. You can also flip them back and forth. You can enlarge them or shrink them, or you can rotate them one way or rotate them the other. You can put them in the front or the back, but you have to have different stuff in front of them. You can change their facial expressions. You can change their postures. So I'm going to leave her acting surprised and holding the door. You can also change their colors, just in case you want a shadow person. And then if you want to add your trader in there, click on trader. This box will pop up, just close it. And then drag your trader into the picture. Once you have everything the way you want it, go to the top where it says Start Here. Click on that and then hit Save or Save As. And then type in your title, then your description, and then any tags you want. Under language, there are 2 boxes. Uncheck the first one so others can't change your cartoon. Then click on Publish. At this point in time, it'll show this page. It'll say Go to Page. Check out your page. Now, you can preview what it's going to look like. You can print it or save it. Well done, you've just made your first comic.